Hey guys, welcome to NS Tech Videos. Today I'll be unboxing and doing a review for i100-TWS wireless earbuds, and I'll also be giving away one pair to a lucky winner, and I'll tell you how to win those in the video. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. So let's get started. So here's the box. It's a black box with i100 on the top and on either side. And at the bottom of the box, you have your earbuds with charging case and charging cable. So let's go ahead and open it up. So you have your earbuds and you have your USB-C type charging cable. It's not a lightning cable. It's good for Android users, so they don't have to switch cables to charge their earbuds. And then you have your instruction manual in English and in Chinese. So let's go ahead and take a look at the earbuds. So the case feels the same. It's the same size. The only difference I can see is there are 4 LED light indicator that shows the battery life of the case, and there's no cutout like the original AirPods where the lid meets the case. And in the back, there's no writing. And at the bottom, you have your USB-C type charging cable, not the lightning cable. And let's see how they connect to the phone. Connect to the phone, you just have to open it up and bring it close to your phone, and there you go, they pop right up and it says AirPods on top. All you have to do is hit connect. It takes a few seconds to connect. Once it's connected, you'll see the battery life of the AirPods and the charging case. And before they were connected, it says AirPods, but now once it's connected, it changes to i100. So it was pretty easy to connect. Let's go ahead and take a look at the earbuds itself. So they actually are very light, feel really good, really small. They do have left and right, so L and R, so for left and right ear. And you can actually tell the difference here where you have 1 hole on each. On the actual AirPods, you have 2, and this hole is a little bit smaller on the actual AirPods. But other than that, they look really good and feel really good. And I have one pair that I tested out, and they are really good as well to use. The other difference on this side is there is no hole up here. The hole is at the bottom. That's for the microphone. And they're really good actually for once you have them in your ear, no one's going to be able to tell that these are not original. And they actually are, you can control them by touching them, and you can play, pause, and actually even use it for Siri. All you have to do is, for Siri, you have to, I think, tap it 3 times and you'll be able to activate Siri with these. And the charging case itself is a wireless charging case, so you don't have to worry about charging it by connecting it. You can charge as wireless as well. And the battery life on these is about 2 to 3 hours, and that's a pretty good battery life. And the sound quality is really good on these. I think they sound really good when you're listening to music, and same thing with you talking on the phone. Sound quality is really good on these for that as well. And if you walk away from your phone, you can actually walk away up to like 50 to 60 feet before they get disconnected. So overall, it's really good to buy when it's only under $20 to purchase these. And if you want to get a wireless earbuds, you can get these for under $20. I'll leave a link in the description. So if you want to purchase one, you can purchase it through that link. So you make sure you get the same one. And to win the pair, if you want to win one, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment. And I'll pick one lucky winner to send these out to. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.